Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use advanced chart indicators for technical analysis in Trading 212. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you're looking to enhance your trading strategies with technical indicators, here's how you can do it. First, open the Trading 212 app and open the stock on which you want to add indicators. As you can see, right now it shows in lines, but we need in candles. Tap on the gear icon and choose candles. Next, tap on the full screen button next to the gear icon we pressed earlier. This will give us full trading view style chart where we can add indicators. Tap on the indicator button on the top and search whichever indicator you want. Then, to customize an indicator, tap on it directly on its name, then tap on three dots icon. Next, tap on settings and you can customize the indicator for yourself from here. It's that simple. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.